August 29th, India celebrates National Sports Day to commemorate the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand, the hockey legend. The aim is to increase awareness among the public about the benefits of exercise and sports and to make sure that they inculcate these practices in their daily lives to prevent chronic diseases and to improve their quality of life. Exercise and sports have many physical as well as mental benefits. Some of the physical benefits include preventing obesity, reducing high cholesterol, controlling hypertension or blood pressure, controlling high sugars or diabetes, stronger muscles, stronger bones, better immunity. Some of the mental benefits of exercise and sports include better mood, reduction in stress and depression, improved sleep, and better self-confidence. So I hope we can all inculcate sports and exercise as a daily practice in our lives, and I wish you all a happy National Sports Day. Thank you.